welcome back. It's gonna be a little different video. It's gonna be a short one today. We've had like 5 inches of rain in the last 2 weeks or so, and we just fertilized, so this grass is growing like crazy. So we got behind on mowings, it's wet, couldn't get in the fields, and now we're vacuuming sod fields. And what that is we're getting all the thatch off. You can see how bad it is across there. That thatch will actually kill spots in the grass. It'll burn it, and it just looks awful, kills your top growth. So you gotta get it off there. That's where this thing comes in. It's a vacuum made by a company called Brower, same company that makes our sod cutters. But it's got a big fan in there, sucks it up in there, blows it in a bag, and then you walk it out. We normally feed it to the cows, so that's what I'm doing, and I was gonna bring y'all along, and I'll show you a little more in depth on it here in a little bit. So y'all stay tuned, and don't forget to like the video, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It's fixing to get busy. I've been doing a lot of video and just hadn't had time to do a lot of editing, so but y'all stick around, and probably something that most of y'all never seen before. Talking to the neighbors, so I got one dump out. I'm gonna see if I can't get another one picked up before the dew falls. Once the dew falls, this stuff don't want to, it starts sticking to the ground, and it don't like to pick up. You have to run a whole lot slower. Right now I can run about 9.5 miles an hour. I can probably run about 10, but if it wasn't so heavy on the thatch. But just out here driving back and forth, sucking up some grass. So I'll get out here in a minute and show y'all kind of how the vacuum works. Alright, this might be kind of loud, but this right here is sod vacuum. Picks up the thatch after we've mowed. There's a fan inside here. There's a vacuum, sucks everything up through the fan and blows it into the tub here. And then when you get full, this door opens up. It's got a walking floor in it, and this floor will walk all that stuff out the back. I'll show you all the next time I'm done. Well, we got another load dumped out here. As you can tell, it is just straight thatch, just grass clippings. That's all it is. Essentially, when you're bagging your yard and you get the clippings off of it, that's pretty much what we're doing. We just have to have a bigger machine to do it. But I dump it in here with the cows. They're off down there now, but they love this stuff. It's just like candy. Of course, it don't get any fresher or any better than that right there. I wish there was a way to bale it, but I think it's too fine to get it to compact into a baler to make it in a baler. But we're gonna go see if we can get another couple loads picked up. I'm gonna call this the end of the video. It's just a little short one, like I said, but y'all don't forget to leave a like or leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see some more. But we'll see y'all on the next one.